guys, this is Skylar. I am completely blind, I'm autistic, and I have a chronic heart condition. Today I'm going to be talking about some products that I received today in the mail. So I'm kind of going to be blending the reviews of these products all in one because I got them both today. One of them I got from Etsy, another one I got from a company. This is a Clue Junior keychain. It's from the Clue Junior series. The game Clue. You know, Clue is a game where you try to solve a murder mystery. This is Mrs. Peacock. I wanted this particular one because number one, I like the game of Clue. And number two, Peacock's one of my favorite words. This other one is a pawn. It's from the game of Sorry. I think Sorry is a game by Hasbro. And this is one of the pawns. The shop let me choose which color I wanted. And I wanted yellow because I'll tell you later. These are stickers. They're from a company named the Stink Factory. I don't know if there's any writing on the back, but go ahead and show you both sides, just in case. I wanted the cinnamon roll because, number one, I like the smell of cinnamon. Oh, by the way, those are scratch and sniff. The cinnamon roll stickers are scratch and sniff. Number one, I like cinnamon, but number two, the cinnamon roll is because it's brown and it's kind of coiled. In a way, it's shaped like the smiling pile of scheisse emoji. You know, the smiling pile of excrement emoji. Scheisse is the German word for excrement, and scheisse is one of my favorite words. Now, about the two game piece keychains, those are actual game pieces that the Etsy shop just made into keychains. The reason that I wanted them, like I said, about the Clue, Peacock's one of my favorite words. So that's why I chose her, but also I like the game Clue itself. I played it one time at school, but it was really kind of hard because at the school for the blind, you couldn't really talk about guns or weapons. So I wasn't allowed to say like weapon names. So it made it really tough to play Clue. Anyways, so I like the game Clue. That's why I wanted the Clue keychain game piece. About the Sorry pawn, the shape of a Sorry pawn is kind of similar to the shape of a Hershey Kiss candy, but it's also shaped like the top of a baby bottle, like the rubber part on the top of the baby bottle, the part that the baby actually drinks out of, is sometimes shaped like a Sorry pawn, depending on what kind of bottles you buy. The bottle nipple is kind of shaped like a Sorry pawn, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted it. But also, in my dreams, there used to be this device called the Tew, T-E-W. It's kind of shaped like a Sorry pawn, but bigger, and it was like a merry-go-round, kind of, in my dreams, but it was electronic, and it was like evil. I don't like things that spin around, but yeah, it is kind of shaped like the pawn. Anyways, I was thinking with these two keychains, I could use them as like cheer me up prizes. Like I could take them with me. I could pick one and take them with me to get my blood, when I go and get my blood drawn. I have to get my blood drawn every once a month. So I'm always looking for fun things to kind of help cheer myself back up after the needle. And the sorry game pawns will kind of serve that purpose. And the Peacock Clue Junior keychain. As far as the stickers, the cinnamon roll scratch and sniffs, I bought those to be a prize for myself after shot day, because every Tuesday, once a week on Tuesday, I have to give myself an injection. And I thought after the injection, one of those cinnamon roll stickers would be a good prize for me to kind of cheer myself back up after the shot. Now, the stickers actually do smell a lot like cinnamon. Kind of smells like monkey bread. If you ever had monkey bread, that's what the stickers smell like. Cinnamon rolls are very similar to monkey bread. So, yeah. And they're not too big, and they actually stick really well. The keychains, I really like the way that they're like put together. It's really good quality. The shop's name is Crap Bag Banana Hammock. They told me I could use their shop name. I asked permission first, and I'm going to put their link in the description. So if you have any questions about either one of these products, feel free to contact me at dvlogsfamily@icloud.com. Again, that's dvlogsfamily@icloud.com.